This is the Hub. Here, anything is possible. From every use case to every industry, with every device, without any limits. It doesn't matter if you're providing detailed work instructions for a jumbo jet turbine, or designing the prototype of a new sports car with high precision, or even planning a grand skyscraper for the New York skyline. Anything you need. Is that really so hard to believe? This is the world that you know, constrained by performance limitations, restricted by device compatibility, and plagued by poor data security. And this is Hololight Hub, the foundation of your XR strategy for every department. Here, you have the best apps ready to integrate directly into your product cycle. Or, as an enterprise, deploy your custom app on the Hub for organization-wide access. Imagine you're a software architect. You develop an XR app and then host it on the Hub. Easy, fast, limitless. Realize anything, from the simplest concepts to the most sophisticated data. Thanks to the matrix of streaming, the rules no longer apply. You can run it on any device you desire. So, what is the Hub? The Hub is the platform to manage, host, and stream. Now it's your choice. Limit yourself, or see how far your vision can go.